Let me ask you something simple. Why does creating online content still feel like you're climbing a mountain with no rope? Every time you want to make a 4K image, you need one tool. Want a voiceover? Another tool. Need a blog post? Another subscription. Need AI to read your PDF? Another app. Before you know it, your screen looks like a software graveyard and your wallet looks tired. And here's the real pain. Even with all these tools, most people still feel stuck, slow, and overwhelmed. But what if the plan could be simple? Like, actually simple. Imagine a workflow that goes like this. You create what you want, you polish it, you automate the posting, writing, or production, and you focus on earning. No bouncing between apps, no complicated setups, just a straight path. One line, one flow, one home for everything. Letting the viewer think, okay, but how? Here's the twist. 90% of people get stuck on step 1 and step 2 because they don't have the tools. That's where Superhero AI comes in. Superhero AI takes your entire content process, your voiceovers, your 4K images, your 8K visuals, your scripts, your PDFs, your websites, your chatbots, and drops it all inside one simple, clean, hand-built dashboard. With one login, one click, and one command, you can generate studio-quality voiceovers, blockbuster-style 4K and 8K visuals, chat with any PDF or URL, create AI chatbots, write full sales pages, and even speak to your AI assistant like Alexa. It's fast, it's simple, and it's powered by the strongest AI engines in the world: GPT-4o, Gemini 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek V3, and DALL-E 3 HD. All the heavy lifting is done for you. Instead of explaining every feature, let me show you how it works. Watch how this tool handles the hardest part of your workflow in seconds.
Meet the most powerful AI platform ever assembled, Superhero AI. A single dashboard, a full army of intelligent tools at your command. No learning curve, no waiting. Inside, you're not just getting access to AI, you're unlocking your very own digital command center. Equipped with tools for writing, designing, speaking, coding, and automating everything in your online business. From high-converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in minutes. Superhero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital warriors who demand more. Need help with research, writing, ads, branding, SEO, or scripting? Superhero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you'll be commanding the most advanced AI models in the world: GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more being added regularly. Want visuals? Turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E 3 HD. No design skills needed. Just type, click, and create. Need voiceovers? Just type a few words and generate studio-quality voices in over 50 global languages, including accents and emotions. Want to read a PDF? Extract insights from a link, or understand what's inside an image? Just drop it into Superhero AI, and it responds like a genius. And when you're ready to go hands-free, activate the automation reactor, schedule your content, bulk create videos, voiceovers, and social posts. Auto-publish to your platforms. Let AI work in the background while you sleep. This isn't just another AI app. This is Superhero AI, your all-in-one plug-and-play system to write, design, build, sell, and scale faster than ever before. No monthly fees, no overwhelm, no experience required. Just raw AI power at your fingertips, ready when you are. Ready to unlock your superpowers? Click below and activate Superhero AI now.
Now let's talk about everything you get the moment you open the dashboard. You get DALL-E 3 HD and 11 Labs level audio, worth $799 alone. You get studio voiceovers powered by GPT-4o TTS, worth $599. Cinematic 4K image generation, $997. 8K Art Studio, $399. Live voice commands, $599. Real-time internet search, $599. AI chatbots and file chat, $499. A full multilingual suite, $299. Social media automation, $399. PDF Summarizer, $399. Custom AI Assistance, $599. Step-by-step business training, $299. Commercial license included. VIP support included. And early users get 10 premium bonuses also included. The real-world value crosses $10,000. But the price isn't even close to that. Draw one giant number on the board, $14.95. Big circle around it. That's a one-time fee. No subscriptions, no hidden payments, no upsells required to actually use the main features. So let's wrap this up. You started with a problem. Too many tools, too much cost, too much overwhelm. This tool gives you a clean plan. It handles the hard part, and it puts everything you need under one roof with no monthly fees. If you want to create faster, automate smarter, and scale without stress, this is the tool that makes it happen. Check the link below, grab it before the bonus window closes, and enjoy having your own AI super dashboard ready to create on command.